Hi guys, MyTechTalks back again with another video, and today we're going to be doing a sound test on the Bose Micro versus the JBL Clip 4. Got that wrong there, but oh well, everyone makes mistakes. So we're going to be doing a sound test. Let me zoom in a little bit right there, guys, so you can get a better shot of the actual couple of speakers right on the table. So we're going to be doing a sound test on these two brilliant speakers. Find out all the information down below. Got a couple of links for this one right here and this one here. So this one is I think it's £89 on Amazon. You can get a discount code if it goes up and down, stuff like that. This one's around 48, 50 quid. This one's pretty good actually for the price. So let's get right into it. I'm going to actually put a song on right now. It's a NCS song, so you'll get that at the link below as well if you want. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications right while you're there. Put a like on this video if you like what you heard. And let's get right into it. We're going to start on the Bose Micro at 50%. My bad, Clip 4. We're starting on the Clip 4 at 50%. Bose Micro at 50%. Okay, let's jam it up to like 80. I'd say that's around 80-ish, right there. We're still on the Clip 4. Wow, that sounds amazing. %, now. Well, there you go. That is pretty damn good. Let me know what you thought down below with a comment. And yeah, let's put another song on while we're here. Okay guys, I got another song on. I'm going to start on the Bose Micro, which is right here. Well, if you didn't know, it says Bose and JBL, so yeah. So we're going to start on the Bose Micro at 50%. Seems a little quiet actually for 50%. 100% now. Okay, they are pretty loud, I'm not gonna lie, they are pretty loud indeed. For me, JBL has got better highs, the mids are a bit nicer, everything on the Bose is a little bit more flat, but that's the safe way to do it, obviously, because then you can get more bass out of it, because this one doesn't have as nice bass, it's a bit flat on this one. But on the Bose, you do get that rich bass, but it stops being rich around about 60 to 70%. So if you have your music loud all the time, then you might want to go for the JBL because it's a little bit crisper, a little bit more high end, as in like with the high ends and stuff like that. But if you like your bass, then you're obviously just going to go for the Bose, aren't you? So I don't know, let me know what you think down below about these speakers, and I will see you in the next one. I will be doing Bose Micro versus the JBL Clip 4 versus the JBL Go 3 in a finale of these great little speakers. So don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications while you're there, hit a like on the video if you like what you heard, and I will see you in the next one.